Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about the insulation that comes with the Sling 4 kit. It's this foil-faced foam that comes on a roll and you trim it to fit the firewall and it attaches with an adhesive backing. I had seen that other builders decided to go with a different solution, and so I've decided to find out for myself if I wanted to use this foil or go with something a little bit different. So here's the material that comes with the kit. From the description of the packing list, it appears to be a product called FIREX 30 made by Sonder in South Africa. It is an open cell polyurethane foam that's 10 millimeters thick with an adhesive back and a foil facing on it. And from the data sheet, it claims to be flame retardant and meets a motor vehicle safety standard for self-extinguishing after being exposed to fire, but doesn't really make any other claims as far as heat resistance. What I'm going to compare that to is this product made by Thermo-Tec called an aluminized heat barrier. It is quite a bit different construction. This material is a aluminized flexible face bonded to a woven silica backing. It's quite a bit thinner, but a little bit heavier because of that fabric backing. And this just attaches with either rivets or with an adhesive like a spray material. And you can see this is specifically called out as being a firewall material and rated to deflect heat up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit on the foil side and then 1000 degrees on the fabric side. And the way I'm going to test this is I've cut off little test squares from each material, and I'm just going to hit it with this propane burner that when it's on is about right around 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what we want for testing for flammability. And then I'll compare the results and see how well they do. All right, this is the foam that comes with the kit. Melts away the foil pretty fast. And you can see the foam too is also deforming. Fire extinguishes pretty fast, but not a great result. And now here's the Thermo-Tec aluminized heat barrier. I haven't turned off the propane burner, so this is the same setting I just used for the other material. You can see right away it's resisting the heat a lot better. Starting to see a little bit of deformation with the flame right in front of it, but not melting away. Saw a little flash of the fabric behind, but it extinguished right away. Really have to get the fire right on top of the material to see any kind of effect. Looks like a much better result. Let's take a closer look now at these two samples. On the Thermo-Tec material, you can see the very little damage, a little bit of charring of the metal facing, but still largely intact. A little bit of discoloration of the fibers on the back as well, but largely intact, and we didn't see any fire after the fact. It self-extinguished rather quickly. So a pretty good result. On the FIREX foam, you can see the foil facing kind of melted, disintegrated pretty much as soon as the fire hit it. And then the foam itself also melted down. See an interesting shape, basically corresponding to the contours of the heat that hit it. Did see some fire on it, but it self-extinguished rather quickly and not much damage on the back. You can see just a little bit of discoloration on the adhesive that's on the back of the foam. So overall, not too bad. What do you think? Which one would you choose? Thanks for watching.